Children, now I'll be taking English grammar for class 2. English grammar for class 2. Today I'll be teaching collective nouns. Today I'll be teaching collective nouns for class 2. Please pay attention and listen to me. Before beginning with collective nouns, I just want to tell you about noun. As you know, children, what is a noun? What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. Everything in this world has a name, and that name is a noun. So, a noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. Example: person, boy, mother, uncle, place, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, animal, cat, dog, lion, thing, table, pencil, book. There are different types of nouns. There are different types of nouns, out of which collective noun is one of them. Out of which collective noun is one of them. Now, I will give you the definition of collective noun. Now, I will give you the definition of collective noun. Definition. A collective noun refers to a group, collection or set of animals, persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. A collective noun refers to a group, collection or set of animals, persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Now, examples. Number 1, a litter of puppies. A litter of puppies. So, litter is a collective noun. Number 2, a flock of birds. A flock of birds. So, flock is a collective noun. Number 3, a pride of lions. A pride of lions. So, pride is a collective noun. Number 4, a bunch of keys. A bunch of keys. Bunch is a collective noun. Here is a list of some collective noun. Here is a list of some collective nouns. List of some collective nouns. Herd. H-E-R-D. H-E-R-D. Herd. Herd of elephants, deer, cattle, zebras, giraffes. Flock. F-L-O-C-K. Flock. Flock of sheep, birds. Pack. P-A-C-K. Pack. Pack of wolves, cards, hounds, dogs, thieves. Company. C-O-M-P-A-N-Y. Company of parrots. Company of parrots. Army. A-R-M-Y. Army of soldiers, ants, frogs. School. School of fish, sharks, whales. School of fish, sharks, whales. Swarm. S-W-A-R-M. Swarm. Swarm of bees, flies, insects, rats. Nest. Nest of rabbits, snakes, mice, crocodiles. Troop, T-R-O-U-P, troop of dancers, acrobats. Bunch, bunch of grapes, flowers, keys, bananas. Pride, P-R-I-D, pride of lions. Litter, L-I-T-T-E-R, litter of puppies, kittens. Shoal, S-H-O-A-L, shoal of fish. So children, we can say school of fish. We can also say shoal of fish. Brood, B-R-O-O-D, brood of chickens. Brood of chickens. Choir, C-H-O-I-R, choir of singers. Flight, F-L-I-G-H-T, flight of stairs. String, S-T-R-I-N-G, string of pearls. I repeat children, here is a list of some collective nouns. Herd, herd of elephants, we can say herd of elephants, herd of deer, herd of cattle, zebras, giraffes. Flock of sheep, birds. Pack of wolves, pack of cards, pack of hounds, pack of dogs, pack of thieves. Company of parrots. Army of soldiers, army of ants, army of frogs. School of fish, school of sharks, school of whales. Swarm of bees, swarm of flies, insects, rats. Nest of rabbits, nest of snakes, mice, crocodiles. Troop of dancers, acrobats. Bunch of grapes, bunch of flowers, bunch of keys, bunch of bananas. Pride of lions, litter of puppies, litter of kittens. Shoal of fish. Brood of chickens, choir of singers, flight of stairs, string of pearls. So children, now we will do the following exercises. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct collective nouns from the box. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct collective nouns from the box. Number 1, a dash of pearls. A dash of pearls. A string of pearls. A string of pearls. S-T-R-I-N-G. A dash of eggs. A dash of eggs. A clutch. C-L-U-T-C-H. Clutch of eggs. A clutch of eggs. Number 3. A dash of angels. A dash of angels. A host of angels. H-O-S-T. Host of angels. Number 4. A dash of flowers. A dash of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Bouquet of flowers. Number 5. A dash of sailors. A dash of sailors. A crew of sailors. A crew of sailors. C-R-E-W. C-R-E-W. Crew of sailors. Number 6. A dash of dancers. A dash of dancers. A troop of dancers. T-R-O-U-P-E. T-R-O-U-P. Troop of dancers. Number 7. A dash of geese. A dash of geese. A gaggle. G-A-G-G-L-E. G-A-G-G-L-E. Gaggle of geese. Number 8. A dash of stars. A dash of stars. A galaxy. G-A-L-A-X-Y. G-A-L-A-X-Y. Galaxy of stars. Number 9. A dash of mountains. A dash of mountains. A range of mountains. A range. R-A-N-G-E. Range of mountains. Number 10. A dash of musicians. A dash of musicians, a band, B-A-N-D, B-A-N-D, a band of musicians. Number 11, a dash of tourist, a dash of tourist, a flock, F-L-O-C-K, F-L-O-C-K, flock, a flock of tourist. Number 12, a dash of stairs, a dash of stairs, flight, F-L-I-G-H-T, flight, a flight of stairs. Number 13, a dash of books, a dash of books, a library of books, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, a library of books. Number 14, a dash of mice, a dash of mice, a nest, N-E-S-T, nest of mice. Number 15, a dash of ants, a dash of ants, a colony, C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony of ants. So children, all these exercises you have to do it in your grammar copy. All these exercises, children, you have to do it in your grammar copy. Everything you have to do it in your grammar copy. I repeat. Number 1, a string of pearls, a clutch of eggs, a host of angels, a bouquet of flowers, a crew of sailors, a troop of dancers, a gaggle of geese, a galaxy of stars, a range of mountains, a band of musicians, a flock of tourists, a flight of stairs, a library of books, a nest of mice, a colony of ants. Now next exercise, children. Underline the collective noun in each sentence. Underline the collective noun in each sentence. Number 1, the school team played well and won the match. The school team played well and won the match. So, which is the collective noun, children, in this sentence? Team. T-E-A-M. Team. Number 2, schools of fish were caught in the net. Schools of fish were caught in the net. So, schools. You have to underline schools. Number 3, I saw a herd of elephants drinking water near a forest. I saw a herd of elephants drinking water near a forest. Underline herd, H-E-R-D. Number 4, there are colonies of ants in a garden. There are colonies of ants in a garden. So, you have to underline colonies. Number 5, a pack of wolves ran through the pine forest. A pack of wolves ran through the pine forest. So, which is the collective noun, children, in the sentence? Pack. Number 6, people clapped as a pod of dolphins leaped out of the ocean. People clapped as a pod of dolphins leaped out of the ocean. So, children, can you tell me which is the collective noun in this sentence? Pod. Yes, pod is the right answer. Now, number 7. There was a swarm of bees near the hive. There was a swarm of bees near the hive. So, please underline swarm. Number 8. He was carrying a bundle of books to the staff room. He was carrying a bundle of books to the staff room. So, underline bundle. Bundle is the collective noun in this sentence. Number 9. I saw a sloth of bears in the zoo. I saw a sloth of bears in the zoo. Now, in this sentence, which is the collective noun, children? In this sentence, can you tell me which is the collective noun? Yes, sloth. Sloth. S-L-O-T-H. Sloth. I saw a sloth of bears in the zoo. Now, number 10. I saw a bunch of grapes on the table. I saw a bunch of grapes on the table. So, bunch. Bunch is the collective noun. Okay. Now, next page, children. Find these collective nouns in the word greet. Find these collective nouns in the word greet. This is your practice work, children. Everything you have to do in your grammar copy. This is your practice work. This one you have to do it on your own. The word greet is here and you have to do it here. In your grammar copy you have to do. A heap of rubbish, a bundle of clothes, a pride of lions, a shower of rain, a bunch of grapes, a flock of sheep, a shoal of fish, a gang of robbers, a flight of birds, a brood of hens, a choir of singers, an army of soldiers. Okay, children. Now next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the collective nouns. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. A large dash gathered in front of the gate. A large dash gathered in front of the gate. So the answer is, children, a large crowd. A large crowd, C-R-O-W-D, crowd gathered in front of the gate. Now number 2. The dash of thieves looted money from the bank. The dash of thieves looted money from the bank. Pack. The answer is pack. P-A-C-K. Pack. Now number 3. Father bought a dash of grapes for us. Father bought a dash of grapes for us. Bunch. So the answer is, children, bunch. Now number 4. The fishermen caught a huge dash of fish in their fishing net. The fishermen caught a huge dash of fish in their fishing net. So the answer is school. School of fish in the fishing net. Now number 5. The dash from Mizoram sang beautiful Christmas carol. The dash from Mizoram sang beautiful Christmas carol. The choir, C-H-O-I-R. The choir from Mizoram sang beautiful Christmas carol. Now number 6. Our dash is better than theirs. Our dash is better than theirs. So the answer is team. Our team is better than theirs. Now number 7. A dash of cattle is passing. A dash of cattle is passing. So the answer is herd. H-E-R-D. Now we are number 8. The dash sailed off the coast and soon vanished. The dash sailed off the coast and soon vanished. The answer is the fleet sailed off the coast and soon vanished. Number 9. A dash of chickens was running all over the farm. A dash of chickens was running all over the farm. The answer is brood. B-R-O-O-D. Brood. A brood. B-R-O-O-D. Brood of chickens. Now number 10. The river was surrounded by a dash of trees. The river was surrounded by a dash of trees. So what is the answer, children? Clump. The river was surrounded by a clump. C-L-U-M-P. Clump of trees. C-L-U-M-P. Clump of trees. Now next exercise, children. Each sentence has a collective noun and another noun. Put them under the right column. Each sentence has a collective noun and another noun. Put them under the right column. Sentences, collective nouns, other nouns. Okay, now number 1. The peal of bells could be heard a mile away. The peal of bells could be heard a mile away. So, you have to find out the collective noun. This exercise, children, you have to do it on your own. And everything you have to do it in your grammar copy. So, you have to find out the collective noun. You have to write over here. And you have to find the other noun and you have to write over here. Now, number 2. Please pick up the pack of cards. Please pick up the pack of cards. So, you have to find out collective noun, other noun. You have to write here and here. Now, number 3. A class consists of 20 pupils. A class consists of 20 pupils. So, same thing you have to do, collective noun and other noun. Number 4. Rahul drove his flock of sheep to the field. Rahul drove his flock of sheep to the field. So, same thing you have to do, children. You have to find out the collective noun and other noun. You have to write your collective noun and other noun over here. Now, next exercise. Circle the collective nouns in the following sentences. You have to circle the collective noun in the following sentences. This exercise also, children, you have to do it on your own. This is your practice work. You have to do it on your own. Number 1. An army consists of soldiers and commanders. An army consists of soldiers and commanders. So, you have to circle the collective noun in this sentence. A gang of robbers attacked the merchants. A gang of robbers attacked the merchants. Number 3. A bouquet of flowers was presented to Mrs. Brown. A bouquet of flowers was presented to Mrs. Brown. Now, number 4. A swarm of bees flew out of the hive. A swarm of bees flew out of the hive. Now, number 5. Rohan has an album of photographs of famous people. Number 5. Rohan has an album of photographs of famous people. Now, number 6. The farmer took his herd of cattle for grazing. The farmer took his herd of cattle for grazing. So, children, everything you have to do it in your grammar exercise book, in your grammar copy. And these exercise, this one, also you have to do it in your grammar copy. On your own you will do. This exercise, each sentence has a collective noun and another noun. Put them under the right column. This one you have to do it on your own. And circle the collective noun in the following sentences. This also you have to do it on your own. So, children, I hope you have understood collective nouns. Thank you, children. Love you.